Hey guys, it's Katie, and today we're going to talk about tracking with Kartra. You can basically track anything in Kartra, like any of the engagement or actions that are going on within your funnel, in your emails, or with your email sequences, video views, or basically anything you can track in Kartra. And that's one thing that I absolutely love about Kartra because you can, when you are tracking things in Kartra within your funnel or email sequence or anything that you have built with Kartra, you can see exactly what works for you, what converts, and what doesn't, and what needs to be improved within the funnel. This is, I believe, absolutely crucial for you to have when you are building an online business because, otherwise, how would you know what exactly works and what doesn't work, let's say, within the funnel? So there are ways to improve your funnel to have it convert better when you know exactly what doesn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you where you can see the tracking and how you can track different things within Kartra. So let's go ahead and start. I am currently in my pages here, and again, if you don't know what Kartra is, go ahead and check out the link below this video, and you'll learn exactly what Kartra is. It's basically a platform that you can use to set up your online business on. I have been using Kartra for many years already, and I absolutely love it. It has allowed me to do anything that I want to do in my online business. And, other than merchants like PayPal and Stripe, I still use those as merchant accounts or merchant companies. But the rest of the things that I do here, at least what I remember at this moment, is I do within Kartra. So again, check out the link below if you want to learn more about what Kartra is. But if you already have Kartra, great. It's obviously great when you master it and when you know exactly what you can do with Kartra, and make it a goal to master Kartra. If you don't want to master it, it's totally fine. It's up to you, of course. You can hire people to set up things for you within Kartra. And I do want to mention that I offer coaching as well as done for you services. If you have like a project coming up or you're working on a project and you need help with it, I do offer done for you if you don't want to master Kartra or if you don't have time to do it, or coaching as well. If you do want to master it, if you want to create it and know exactly what to do within Kartra to take your business to the next level, I offer that as well. Just go ahead and check out the link below as well to fill in a questionnaire that I have for you, and we can jump on a call and discuss your project and see if we are a good fit working together. So let's go ahead and start. I'll show you how to track things within Kartra. So if we go to analytics here, and if we go to engagement, we can see exactly what is the engagement of your pages. So let's just go ahead and choose a site. I'll just choose one of my funnels and one of the, for example, landing page of my funnel. So let me just choose that, and I'll say last 30 days. I've just recently actually released this funnel. That's why it's not that many visitors yet, but it says last 30 days. But I do plan on scaling up and driving paid traffic to this funnel. But so far, as we can see here, we have 74% of the visitors stayed on this page for more than 10 seconds, and then average time on page 55 seconds. Another stat that we have here, then we can see exactly average time when they scroll, how much average time, and how how low on the page do they go, and what's the percentage on that. Let's choose another page, for example, this one right here. We can see all the stats as well, so we can kind of see like if we need to improve this page, or if it converts good. So far I'm okay with this stats over here, or statistics. So you can see all of the pages within the funnel and how well they are converting, or in the engagement of these pages right here. At the moment we're looking at the engagement. So let's just take a look at just one more page and look at the engagement of that page. Let's just look at the checkout page. So as you can see, we can also see the engagement on this page. So when we look at conversions, and when we choose a funnel, we can actually see all of the conversions of every single page in the funnel. So if we scroll down, we can see that, you know, my opt-in page converts at 41%. Then the upsell converts at 12.3. Then we can see, you know, the checkout page, how well that converts, and the another upsell that I have, you know, how well that converts as well. And we can see everything, you know, all the conversions throughout the whole funnel, you know, on every page. And it is absolutely incredible that you can see that within Kartra. I just want you to keep in mind that make sure to track everything within your funnel and within your you know, your project that you're doing out there. If you're not using Kartra, it's totally fine. Just make sure you find a good tracking platform that can track all these things for you. And I just can't wait to see the results, you know, when I actually start scaling with this. I just started driving traffic to this funnel, and so far I have not used any paid traffic at all. But from this, you know, I can see how well it actually converts, and if it's worth for me to start driving paid traffic, or if it still needs some improvement, and which page needs some improvement. I just wanted to make sure you know how to check and how to track these things. As far as tracking all these, I didn't have to do anything additional to just creating the pages and creating you know, different things that I had to create for this funnel. I did not have to do anything additional to that. Like, I did not have to create an additional tracking link or anything like that. It tracks and shows me everything automatically just when I go to, you know, analytics to see the conversions. As far as if you want to track a specific source where you're driving traffic from, for example, you're driving traffic to the same funnel from different sources, what you can do is you can simply go to my products and you can go to tracking, and you can also create a tracking link. So if you click on a track link on this green button, you can simply create a tracking link to track like specific sources, like you know, where you're driving traffic from and how well that converts. So let's just say YouTube 7 aspects ebook, and we'll just choose a category. If you don't have a category that you want to use, you can click on manage categories and create a category, and then click next, and then simply choose a, you know, which page you want to track. So you can also use like any kind of URL that you have, or a product landing page, or you can use a Kartra page. So we can use a Kartra page in my case, and we'll just choose my ebook, and then we'll choose the opt-in page, and then click next. And then we want to track clicks and goals. So let's just track page visits on this one, because this is basically just a landing page for a free ebook. So we'll just go ahead and track page visits with this one. But obviously, if you want to track your sales and things like that, you will have to create a link for your sales or checkout page. But also you can create a tracking link for the sales page as well. You can track anything that you want to track within the funnel, you know, from a specific source where you're driving traffic from. So, and then we'll just click next. And then you can add a tag if you want that these visitors came from this source, for example. We'll just create a new tag. By creating a new tag, you can say, you know, from YouTube, that they came like YouTube visitor or something like that. And you can, when a visitor comes through that source, it'll actually put a tag in their profile, the profile that you're gonna have within Kartra. It'll say that they came, like this specific individual or lead came from YouTube. I'm not gonna create a tag. I just wanted to tell you that you can do that. And then if you know approximately how much this lead will cost, you put an approximate amount here, so it can kind of will give you an idea of like an ROI if you're using paid traffic. So I will just not use the dynamic tracking ID. I'll just click create. And here is going to be your tracking link. So for example, we have put together that it's for YouTube. So I can simply use this link to track how many visitors go to this page from YouTube. So I would put it on YouTube, on their YouTube video that I do. So that's it of like how you can track. You can obviously track sales as well from YouTube or whatever you want to track. You can track anything you want to track within Kartra, and that's what I love about it. As far as videos, if we go to my videos and go to analytics, we can also see, how many visitors got to see your videos and how many actually played it. So you can see on which pages they are and things like that. Also the engagement, you can actually see, how far in the video they ended up or how far they have watched in a specific video. So let's just choose one of the videos that I have here. So I can kind of see, how many visitors got to that page where the video is and how many plays it had or how many people watched it. So we can see all the stats in the videos as well within Kartra. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you did enjoy it and got value from it. If you have any questions whatsoever, also let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I look forward to providing you guys a lot more value through my trainings here and through my videos. And also, again, as I said, check out the link below if you haven't checked out what Kartra is. And connect with me if you need help with setting up, things that you want to set up within Kartra or your projects that you are working on or planning to work on. All right, I'll talk to you guys all later.